Hi, good morning, dear Taurus. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is the general love reading for all the Taurus Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Please check your sign before reading or before watching the videos. It is for Sun, Moon, and Venus, all of them. And keep in mind, these are general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime, honey. So let's start. And yeah, this is a reading from 1st till the 10th of October. Let's see. Your partner's current energy right now is Taurus. Yeah. Your partner's current energy right now is Taurus. Let's see. Oh God. Tower. My God. So might be there was a recent separation, or there is a sudden realization of something that they are experiencing right now. There is a sudden realization. I feel like suddenly they got to know, yeah, am I feeling like this? Do I feel like this for Taurus? Does this thing existing in me regarding this particular connection? This is kind of sudden realization or something shocking that is happening to them right now. Might be you guys separated recently, but I don't see a separation energy here as of now, because this is something that is making their beliefs fall down. Their beliefs are shattered. Their complete belief system is shattered right now. Yeah, because of this tower. Let me clarify the tower in their current energy. Let me clarify the tower in their current energy. Let me see. The Hierophant, the Emperor, the Empress. My God, three major arcana cards. Your person right now is having a very heavy realization that this person wants to get married to you. They want to have a long-term committed relationship with you and or marriage with you, because the Hierophant is here, the Emperor is here. So the Emperor is telling me that they have took the decision that they will in the future that they will be with you only, and they will make you the mother of their kids or the father of their kids. It's like a sudden realization that, yeah, I just want to marry this person. I just want to marry my Taurus. I'm not going to leave them. I'm never going to leave them. This is the situation. Could be dealing with a Taurus here, could be dealing with an Aries here, and the Empress energy is telling me that this person is literally head over heels with you. This person is loving you. This person is so much in love with you that they can't even tell you. I think this is the sudden realization that I don't want to time pass. I don't want to, waste my time on somebody else. I just want this person in my life. And this is a realization that they got. Nice. Let me see your current energy, Taurus. Your current energy right now is Two of Wands. You're just waiting for something to happen very eagerly. You're just waiting. You're in the waiting area right now. In the waiting area, waiting for your ships to arrive. I feel like you have done something. Might be waiting for interview results or some kind of audition results or something that was very important for you, or some kind of news that is coming from overseas. See, it is like you have took a decision. You have took a decision that this is my final decision. This is what I want in my life, or what I want to do in my life. But you're just waiting for the results, I think. Let me clarify the Two of Wands in your current energy. Let me see, sweetie. Two of Wands in your current energy. Let's see. Eight of Swords and the Two of Swords and the Three of Swords. Oh, completely heartbroken. So Taurus, you are completely heartbroken. You are on the crossroads. You are not able to decide what is happening with you. You are feeling like you are in some kind of mental jail, and you are not able to come out of this jail no matter how hard you are trying. Okay, you are in some kind of crossroads in your life. You have two ways. Okay, you have two ways, this way or that way. And you have decided that this is my way, this is how I'm going to do it. But still you are heartbroken, still you are shattered, and still you are waiting for something to happen in your life, or someone to come to your life. Heartbroken but beautiful. Okay, Taurus? Heartbroken but beautiful. Okay, just wait for the thing, wait for the energy to unfold. Let me see what is happening with you. So it is like you are heartbroken over something. Might be you didn't get somebody whom you were manifesting from a long time, but I feel the energy of love is here. Even if you don't see it, there is energy of love here. Okay, let me see what this person feels for you, their feelings for you. Let me see. Temperance. I feel like you could be dealing with a Sagittarius here. I feel like this person right now is trying their best to balance their emotions, to control their temper, to control their anger. There's certain level of anger issues or resentment issues or controlling issues here right now that they're trying to control, trying to balance their emotions for you. Sometimes they feel like they are deeply in love with you. Sometimes they feel like they don't even know you. Might be this is the situation, and that's why this person is trying their best to balance the emotions that they carry for you. Let me clarify the Temperance card as what they feel for you. Eight of Cups, the Nine of Cups, and the Two of Cups. Trying to walk away from the only wish fulfillment that they have in their life. Taurus, I feel like this person tried to walk away from you, or you tried to walk away from them, but that was not, that was not meant to be. You guys are meant to be together, and I feel like you guys are going to be together in the future as well, because this person is not going anywhere without you. This person is feeling like you are their wish fulfillment and you are their soulmate kind of energy. So it is also possible, it could be possible that they are leaving somebody else, or they are walking away from somebody else and coming to you because you are the one for them. They feel a soulful connection with you, a soulmate connection with you, a soulmate energy with you. They feel like this, and that's why they're trying to balance their emotions, trying to balance what they are feeling for you. That's why this person is right now might be acting weird, a little weird as well. Sometimes they are acting weird as well, and you're like, why the hell are you behaving like this? Can't we be just two mature adults talking to each other and experiencing life together? But no, this is not happening. This person is acting really weird with you because they are in love with you. They feel like you are their soulmate. They feel like they should get married to you. But again, I don't see this person doing this at all. Their feelings are all around in the cards. Their actions are not, giving their feelings the work to do. Let me see what this person wants from you, Taurus. Let me see. Star. This person wants to wait. This person wants you to wait for the right time. This is what they want. They don't want to lose you. They don't want you to go away, or they don't want to leave you at all. Leaving energy is not at all here at all. This person just wants you to wait for the right time, and they want you to see their perspective, their point of view as well. To see the world with their point of view. This is what they want from you. Because they feel like they're stuck somewhere and they're not ready to, not about the ready thing. It's not about being ready for something or someone. It's about the timings. I feel like this person is mature enough to understand that this is not the right time. So they just want you to wait for the right time. You're already waiting. You're already waiting. You're deeply heartbroken. Might be this person is walking away right now from you, or things are not working out between you guys. You're just waiting for the right time. They also want you to wait for the right time. This is the situation. Let me clarify. This is the Five of Wands, the Ten of Cups, and the Page of Cups. Yes, this person wants you to wait for them and stop fighting with them, because they are planning to have a future with you, planning to have a family with you, and they feel like soon they will give you some kind of good news. But this good news is coming when you are ready to wait. When you're ready to wait for this person, then only this good news is coming. This is what they want from you. They want you to stop fighting with them. Just trust the process, trust the universe, and they will be with you in the future with some kind of beautiful good news or family kind of thing. They are going to attach with you, or they are going to interact with you in a manner that will be very beautiful for both of you. But I feel like Taurus, you're not ready to listen, and you're not ready to wait. This is the situation here. You're being very impatient, and this is not at all Taurus nature, I understand, but right now you are being very impatient. Let me see what's coming towards you till the 10th of October. Hermit could be dealing with a Virgo. I feel like there will be silence, soulful silence between you guys. I don't see you guys separating. I don't see you guys going your own ways. I see you guys separating. Yes, I understand physically might be you guys are going to separate from each other, but there is lots of love here. Lots of love here. Soulful connection is here. Divine timing kind of thing is here. Waiting is here. Everything is here that should be there between two people who are truly in love with each other. Everything is here. Let me clarify the Hermit. Queen of Cups, oh my god, Ace of Cups and the Sun. Happiness. Happiness. Finally, happiness is coming towards you. Love is coming towards you. Queen of Cups. Whomsoever you are connected with, Taurus, this person loves you very dearly. They have motherly concerns for you. They feel like they are your mother or father, and they care for you like their parents, like a parent. And they are carrying lots of love emotions for you, and they feel like you really make them happy. You are the one who make them really happy. They feel like you're a kid. Could be dealing with a Leo here. They feel like you are a kid. Although I feel like there will be silence, but in this silence you are going to experience joy and happiness. You are going to experience true love this time. This time you are going to experience true love, Taurus. And I'm really sure about that because this person, whomsoever you are connected with, this person is not somebody who is like a player or immature person who is just making promises or fake commitments. This is true. This person is true, and this person is going to make you understand what true love is. Okay, just wait and watch. Might be you're completely heartbroken, I got it. Might be you are shaken up from inside, I got it. Might be you're feeling like broken and all that stuff, I got it. But please experience true love this time and let me know. I feel like this person's actions are going to speak louder than words. Yeah. Thank you so much, Taurus, for connecting with me. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.